Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on one of our latest tips and tricks for making your home beautiful. So, welcome back, friends. Today, we're exploring the serene and earthy world of modern organic home decor, one of my absolute favorite styles. If you're someone who loves the idea of bringing nature indoors, but you still want a really clean, modern type look, trust me, this is the perfect style for you. So let's just jump right in. So this is going to be a reminder for some of you all that watch the channel because we have talked about this specific home decor style before. But if you are not familiar, this may be an introduction. So be sure to let me know in the comments section if this is a style you like, if you could see your home looking like this. So let's go ahead and hop in. Modern organic home decor is all about creating a space that feels both natural and sophisticated. It blends the clean lines and minimalism of modern design with the warmth and textures of organic elements. Think of it as the perfect fusion, the perfect marriage between contemporary and rustic styles. In a modern organic home, you're going to see an emphasis on natural materials like wood, stone, and linen. Of course, lots of greenery and plants around as well. The goal is to create a space that feels grounded and calming, yet stylish and, if I do say so myself, a bit refined. So what makes a home truly modern organic? Let's hop into it and break it down. One, I think, would be natural materials. That's going to be a star quarterback in any modern organic room that you have. Now, what is a key player here? From oak flooring to walnut furniture, the focus is going to be on materials that have a natural, untouched look. So think about some of the rooms that you would see in a rustic home decor where you do see a lot of wood, but it almost has like a really natural look, like they didn't cut it and stain it and sand it too much. It looks very natural. So you're going to see stone, rattan, and clay, which also makes appearances, often in the form of countertops, of planters, or other decor items that you would have on your coffee table or bookshelf or somewhere around the room. You're also going to see a big earthy color palette. Now the color palette is typically going to be neutral, right? So a lot of the shades you'll see are white, beige, eggshell, taupe. Some soft grays, which I know some of you don't like. We've talked about that many times. A lot of people are over millennial gray, but these are going to be the color palette really dominating the space, more so the beiges though. But you'll also find some warm tones like terracotta, olive green, and mustard yellow, making kind of subtle appearances, so they aren't going to be bold and in your face. It's just a way to provide some interest and texture to the room and add some depth and interest. So those shades are going to be similar to what you would see maybe in a Art Deco room or a Southwestern style home. Just that color palette, but you're going to see a lot less of it in a modern organic room. Tip number 3 is really to adopt a minimalist approach. We said this style is like a mix of like minimalism and rustic, but this is where simplicity is definitely key. Modern organic decor isn't about clutter. This isn't maximalist. This isn't an eclectic vibe. Instead, it's about choosing a few high-quality, impactful pieces that can stand out on their own and don't need a ton more like them to really make a statement. It's a more thoughtful approach to decorating. So it's going to be similar in that respect to Japandi. So I know I told you that wood and stone play a big role, but remember I said plants play a role as well, and that's honestly what I kind of know modern organic as. So plants are going to play a vital role in this style, indoor plants especially. They're going to help you to bring the outdoors in and add a refreshing, vibrant touch to the space. So think of plants like fiddle leaf figs, snake plants, and monstera. There are some really popular choices. Now, if you do not have a green thumb, like myself, there are always faux plants that you can choose from, and you know that those plants are going to stay green for you and not die in the matter of a few weeks. At this point, let me remember to tell you, definitely check the description box. I'm going to source some things from Amazon that would fit perfectly in a modern organic style room. So if you want to try this style at home, just go ahead, check the description box, and check out anything you may be interested in. So now that you know what really defines modern organic decor, where can you find these pieces to start transforming your home? Of course, my first tip would be online retailers. I don't know about you, but it seems like I am shopping online more and more. So, of course, you have West Elm, Crate and Barrel 2, Pottery Barn. They all have great collections that cater to the modern organic aesthetic. But don't forget, you can find any and everything on Amazon. A lot of people are a little wary of Amazon just because they have so much stuff. So one tip is just to, like in the search bar, just search modern organic decor or modern organic sofas, modern organic coffee tables is going to be a great place to start. And since Amazon is so huge, it kind of niches down for you instead of just putting coffee tables in the search bar, which can be really overwhelming. Also, check out your local artisan shops. Support local artisans who really craft handmade furniture and decor items. These pieces not only add a uniqueness or one-of-a-kind factor to your home, but they also align with the organic, natural vibe of the style. So a couple of places I have in mind are, you know how like you will search Etsy and you always see the people that sell the living coffee tables or living edge end tables. That would be absolutely perfect for a modern organic room. Don't forget about antique stores and flea markets as well. They are gold mines for finding unique, high-quality wood furniture or vintage decor pieces that can add a lot of character to your space. You will be surprised how many incredible furniture pieces that you can find thrifting, only because a lot of people who are not into home decor like us will go ahead and trash that kind of stuff, and usually those are the really good, high-quality, like fully wood pieces. And just with a little sanding, a little stain, or a nice coat of paint, you can have a high quality piece as opposed to some of the plasticky pieces that you get from some of the websites out there. I always think those pieces are more trendy than pieces that you'll be able to pass down through future generations. So let's take a look at some iconic modern organic spaces that can really serve as inspiration for your own home. Let's talk about the organic modern living room. So this style of living room will feature a large, comfy, usually linen sofa, and it's usually a lighter color. You'll see a reclaimed wood coffee table in a lot of cases. Sometimes it's just like a regular wood, just kind of stained or styled to look reclaimed. And you'll also see woven baskets for storage. Remember, since organic modern is all about living as clutter-free as possible, definitely try implementing baskets or ottomans that open up for extra storage. Just if you cannot get rid of all of the clutter, at least try to hide it. Your ideal organic modern living room is going to be really bright and airy with a few large plants bringing in that organic feel. So you're going to have that light neutral color palette and then those big bright pops of green here and there. As you can see, I can really speak about modern organic all day. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. But to wrap it all up, modern organic is really all about balance. It's a style that brings together the best of modern and natural elements and really creates a home that feels both stylish and grounded. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to just refresh your current space, this style is versatile and timeless. If you're ready to embrace the modern organic style, be sure to check out the links down below in the description box, some of my favorite pieces to really help you get started. I absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.